Hello viewers, I hope everyone is well. When we print a page, more than one page is printed and the page is printed with error. This is one kind of big problem of printer user. So when we want to print, you see here lot of page print at a time with a error. So I will solve it easily. For that we will remove printer which we already installed. You remove from here, one already removed and another is here. I will remove also it. After removing printer we will go to control panel. For that we will search in search box and write here control panel. Here you see the control panel. Click here and find out program and feature from list. Click program and feature and find out the printer driver from the list. You see your printer driver and need to uninstall from here. You will uninstall the driver completely. Then we will go to browser and write the driver name of printer, and after doing, here you see the printer driver model. We will click download. It will be download. After downloading we will go to the folder. For click here we will click upon the driver name and it will install. Yes, continue. Yes. Before installation we will remove the printer cable from printer and we will continue the process. Check mark. Next. Yes. And it will install automatically. And here you select manual setup and next, and select USB and next. After coming this, the printer cable, insert the printer and it will detect it and complete the installation. Here you put in postcode and next. Installation complete. Now we will print a document. Here you see the 3-word page. Select the printer name which I was installed recently and print. Here you see the result. Outcome is complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.